Hello, I want to show you today how to use regular expressions in Google Sheets to replace certain characters here. So we're going to, what I want to do is replace everything that is coming after this, I forget what this thing is called, the squiggly symbol. So basically, how this works is I created a new column. So if I scroll to the top here, you can see the titles. These are categories, and I want to get this is the most child category. So I just need to include everything that's after this. I can't remember what that thing is called. The squiggly. So I'm going to do. If we take a look at actually the formula that I have here, so it's equals regex replace. So regular expressions replace, pick the cell that is to the left, and then first in goes your regular expression. So here we have the dot, which means that's the wildcard character, 0 or more. We have the squiggly in parentheses. I don't know if does it need to be in parentheses? Maybe it doesn't even need to be. I don't think it even needs to be in parentheses, but yeah, I'll just leave it out of the parentheses, see if that works. And then we have what we're going to replace that text with. So if we wanted to have something instead of that text and the squiggly line, I could say like replacement text. And then it would do, so you see that it puts the replacement text at the beginning. Oh, and looks like there's a little extra space. Extra space there, maybe we can get rid of that. Yeah, okay, so I added a space in the regular expression thing here to get rid of that extra space at the beginning. I didn't notice there was a space at the beginning of all these. So, but I don't want to use this replacement text string. I just want to have it be nothing. So I'll just make a blank quote there. And that should do what I want it to do now. I'm just going to have to drag that. And it'll copy over for each cell. And we can see that if I keep dragging this down to where it's like one is different here, like row 58, we can see it works even for hex nuts. Works the same way if we keep dragging it down. It just it applies to whichever. Here it applies to socket head cap screws and so on. So that's how you use regular expressions to replace everything that comes after a certain character.